Can you open up this water lily first? Open already? Okay. Remember our quick selection tool? Okay. So I'm going to increase my brush size a bit. Okay. So we'll just click and hold your mouse and select everything like this. Okay. Then how to add into this missing petal? How to add in? Just move to slide a little bit, and then this one. Okay. I'll reduce a bit. Okay, and then. Okay. So you see, with this quick selection, we have done the selection already. But how to enhance the selections? You can go to Refine Edge. Okay. Now, if you find this is a bit difficult to see, you can always change your view. Okay, so you can have a nice one. Okay, or you can go to Review. Okay. 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 Now I'll just leave it as on white, okay, on white. Okay. Now you might want to turn on the smart radius because sometimes you will remove, the edges you will refine for you. Okay. Yes. You see that? Do you see that? Just now, previously, when it was 0%, right? You see that? It's so ugly, right? Okay. But when I turn on this and then I add a little bit on the radius, you see, it's very well defined. Yes, this is very useful. It's not in the textbooks. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. Before I use smart radius, okay. Okay, I reduce. You see all the ugly edges. Now I turn on this, and then I add in a little bit. See, it's very well refined now. Okay. Now you can still enhance further by using. Okay, if you find that your edges is too hard, you can add a smooth. Okay, and you can try to use a feather also. This is like when you want to create special soft effects. If you don't need, you can turn it off. Okay, contrast is to feather. It changed. Now you cannot see. You see that? The soft edges appearing. You see that? Now you see that? Soft edges. Okay. Then for contrast, is actually to make it more solid. More solid. Okay. For example, now if I use, yes, it's more sharp. Okay. Now this shift edge, right, is actually to, for example, if you have too many outline, your border, you can actually minus, then it will reduce. Do you see that? You will try to go inward, go inner. Okay, but when I increase it, it will go outward. You see that? Okay. This is to shift the edge. Okay. Now, since you have all these settings so difficult, I mean, you spend effort to do this, right? Okay, you might want to consider either to remember the settings, so the next one you can use, but I tell you that different picture, different setting. So, unless you are using back the same picture, then you can remember this, okay? Otherwise, what do I recommend is you use this new layer with layer mask. Is because any point of time, if you find, oh, this is too much, I want to edit, you still can do it with layer mask. If you go to new layer straight away, later it's very difficult for you to change. Because with the masking, you can anytime restore back your pixel or remove your pixels. Even if you have removed, you still can undo back. Even you close the file, you still can call back. That's why I always ask you to go to new layer with layer masking. Do you see this? This is what we call the alpha channel. Remember I told you for masking, they only work on white and black color. White is like the angel, they preserve the details. Okay? Whereas for black color is to destroy the devil. Okay? So it's easy to remember, right? So when you want to erase off certain things, what color must you use? When you want to erase off black color. Now, do you see that right now on my, for example, do you see that my white patch is actually the flower? So it's actually showing these pixels. Do you see the black color area is all gone? That's the usefulness of layer masking. Okay, so with this, right, you can easily call back your pixel later. Okay, so I don't have to worry if I destroy it. For example, now I purposely go and use brush, I destroy my center part. Do you see that? But now I can call it back by using white color. You see? As I do that, my thumbnail will update also. Do you see that? That's why it's very useful to use masking, layer masking. It can help you do a lot of things. It also gives you very special effects sometimes. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now you can also temporarily hide your layer mask by holding down your shift key. Do you see the original pixel is back? So have you done anything to destroy your original pixel or not? You never touch the original pixel at all. What you have done is actually one masking. Just like your die cut, for example, your envelope. Do you see there's one pocket where you can see through the address? Am I correct? Your envelope, there's one hole you can see through the address, right? Okay, so your envelope is a masking, but your letter inside is your original pixel. Okay, I repeat. Now, do you see like, right now it's like highlighting. Can you imagine this is the envelope pocket? Then your flower is actually your letter. This is actually your letter. Okay, so I will pause now. Thank you very much.